So, algebraic long division. We take our divisor, which is 2x plus 1, and we're going to divide 6x squared plus 13x plus 5. So, we have, what are our steps? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So they're the 4 steps. Right. So the first step is divide. So we divide the first thing outside into the first thing inside. So I'm going to write it out, but hopefully you'll get the hang of it and you won't have to keep writing it out. So we're doing 6x squared divided by 2x. 6x squared is 6xx. That's what x squared means, divided by 2x. You do the numbers, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then this x cancels this x, so you've 1x left behind. And after you've divided, your answer goes on top. So the 3x goes up here. And now I've divided. Next step is to multiply. So you take the 3x and you multiply it here and you multiply it here. So 3x by 2x is 6x squared, and 3x by plus 1 is plus 3x. So that's that step done. Go away. Good. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the highlight to go away. Okay, so that's multiply. Next is subtract. Okay, now subtract means change the signs. Okay, so the line that we just put in, this one here, we're going to change the signs. So the 6x squared was a plus, so I'm going to remove the plus and make it a minus. The 3x is a plus, so I'm going to make it a minus. And then you do the maths. So 6x squared take away 6x squared, that's the same numbers with different signs, so that eliminates. And 13x minus 3 is 10x. And then the last step is to bring down. So this 5 that's just sitting here, we bring it down and make it part of the sum. So now we have done the subtract, or the change the signs, and we've done the bring down. So we got back to the top again, divide. So again, it's the first one on the outside and the first one on the inside. So it is 10x divided by 2x. Divide the numbers, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then these cancel. And like I said, the answer goes up on top. So we plus 5. Next step is to multiply. So I take the plus 5 and I multiply it out here. So that is 5 by 2x is 10x, and 5 by 1 is plus 5. Next step is to subtract or change the signs. So the 10x that I just put in is a plus 10x. I'm going to get rid of that and make it a minus. The 5 is a plus, get rid of that and make it a minus. And then we do the subtractions. So 10x minus 10x is the same number, different signs, so it eliminates. And plus 5 minus 5 is the same number, different signs, so it eliminates. And that's what's supposed to happen. That's how you know you've got it right if everything cancels. So that is how you do algebraic long division. And your answer is what you got on top. So your answer is 3x plus 5. So play that back as many times as you need to understand it. And I'm going to put a couple more questions here for you to try. Like I said, the reason I didn't teach it to the whole class was, number one, it's challenging, but also it doesn't come up a lot. So I don't mind spending my time on challenging work that is going to get a load of marks in the exam, but this doesn't come up that often. Okay, so I'll put a couple of questions in, whatever I can find, and let me know if you have any questions.